it's Acoustic Paint.
I'm Kathleen.
And I'm Elizabeth, and today we're going to be comparing two different types of kneaded erasers.
So we're going to be comparing the premium kneaded eraser from Master Touch, and then we're going to be doing the kneaded eraser from Faber-Castell.
Do it.
So the Master Touch kneaded eraser came with a little case, which was nice.
So we've got three supplies that we'll be testing the kneaded erasers on. First,
A pen.
second, a General Kimberly's 8B, and third, a General Kimberly's 6H. Okay, so as you can see, we've added all of our tests. We have pen, 8B, and 6H. We kind of have the sketchbook on an incline because the graphite glares really bad with our light. Right, all right, so let's start with the 6B.
Okay, yeah. I mean, you can see your lines on mine. You can't see them as...
All right, now onto the 8B test. I personally think that the Faber-Castell is doing a better job, just overall.
So that's that one.
Now onto the pen, and I already know this doesn't work from my last eraser video.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that's the thing.
So this is the Master Touch one. Did a decent job. And here's the Faber-Castell. I think they're about the same. Maybe the Faber-Castell did a little bit better on the 8B.
We'll put a poll in the corner or comment down below which one you think is better.
I think they're kind of tied right now. Do you want to do like a final test with a pencil? How about just an everyday pencil? Everyday pencil.
All right, so this is an HB pencil, which is right in the middle.
I think it's still tied. I think it's pretty tied. Except on the 8B, I think yours did better on the 8B.
All right, well,
we'll let you guys decide. No,
better for the price, Faber-Castell, but if you want the cool case.
But you also get more of it. So it really just depends on what you want, what you're into, I guess. Master Touch was also half off. Anyway, I think that concludes this video. Let us know which one you think is better. We'll have a poll, and you can also comment that. But also, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hit that notification bell so you're alerted every time we post a new video.
And have a fabulous day.
I thought you were going to say share, but also have a fabulous day.
Bye.
Bye.